Alright guys, on last week's episode, you saw us get the original 4 walls put up of the main structure. The one wall we haven't gotten up yet is the bedroom that you see here on the far right of the deck. Matt and Knox made very quick work and were able to get that up in no time. Today we will be working on the deck as well as trying to get some trusses up. All right guys, so we're back up at the 60 property at the cabin build. As you can see, we got Matt right here in the tractor. Got a wood delivery. We're about to start working on the roof. Stay tuned. Where is it? It's at the feeder?
Yeah, see the feeder?
Yeah. Oh, is it laying down? Oh, I see him. There were a couple of them.
There's 3 of them. There's like 3 does.
So it's working.
Let's bring them in here.
That's wild.
Just seeing if our plan is still to work on the bottom and then to set those trusses today.
That's totally up to you, yes. I mean, if you got to go to work on something, I definitely can. We got plenty to do here. We're actually running the boards on the bottom right now. And I got to put...
At some point, I just really feel like we need to get a couple trusses started.
Yeah, that's fine, because I've got a bunch of cleaning up to do, too, over there where I can get the wall where it needs to be. And
put the scaffolding in there and things like that
yeah.
You can do.
Right.
Okay.
I want to get these 2 tree posts set today and this header going across. That way nobody's standing there waiting. So I've got something to set those trusses on out here.
Okay.
So
well, I'll come up around 2 and try to help you, and I'll let Sarah stop in the afternoon. How muddy is it up on the hill?
It's not bad at all. Zach drove his Subaru up here, but I mean, it's just tacky.
Sir, there were 3 deers at the feeder this morning when we got here. We got some footage of it.
Deer at the feeder?
Yeah,
at the feeder.
I had Zach jump out and shoot them. There were 3 doe. Look like 3 does standing there at the feeder.
You shot my deer.
Well, you know, I mean, camera.
I had Zach pop out and pop them.
So,
all right, guys. Well, I'll see y'all early afternoon. Thank you.
What are we doing today?
I don't really know. I just do whatever he tells me to do. He's my boss. He's the master. He said all I'm good for is to be on TV.
Just a pretty face.
I got a pretty face.
Is this some stuff you cut today yourself?
Yep.
Nice. So what all are we finishing up today?
Finish decking this, hopefully, and maybe put some beams in here and whatever else I can get into.
I'm a creature with no skeleton inside your hands. Got no home address, I come and go as you command. And it's fine with me, and it's fine. I'm a bandit that you use to keep from bleeding out. I'm the lover you don't love, but love to keep around. And it's fine with me, promise that it's fine. Maybe I'm a fool. It's not
Nice.
I'm a picture on your shelf that some days makes you smile. Then I gather dust and watch you go about your life. And it's fine with me. I swear it's fine. I'd be offended if I still had any dignity. Instead of savoring the drink, it's slowly killing me. Say it's fine with me. Tell me that it's fine. Say it's your fault.
Look, one hand is that.
I don't have to worry.
Yeah, yours is the smaller end.
From you.
Ready? 1, 2.
You need examination. I'll be on medication. Whatever, whenever, I'll never tell you no. Break me down. Break me down.
Alright, start walking it up, Knox.
Something really cool about these posts is that they're actually trees from our farm. Earlier in the month, Matt and Knox went out searching for some cedar trees. Anytime they'd find them, they'd either cut them down, or in this instance, we had to pull it down because we got the blades stuck. But once they were pulled down, Matt would come, he'd get the chainsaw, he'd get a rough cut on the size, and we would take them back and do something pretty cool that I'm going to let him explain.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna pressure wash this cedar log.
Yeah.
Make it look like Bucky's house.
All pretty.
Bucky's
We're gonna-
house.
It's
Really
a little
excited.
extra I got in my head.
You're really excited.
Joe's gonna like it.
You're really excited about doing it.
If it doesn't work, we're not gonna put it in the video.
What I did here was I pressure washed this log and took the bark off of it. What we're gonna do is we're gonna come back and stain this, make it look all nice and pretty. Sand it down and stain it.
Looks good.
Zach,
I've worked hard
I
on it.
know you on their YouTube channel, you like to do polls. So I want you to ask your YouTube viewers. Look at on Knox here. You look at me. Just by looking at us, which one's the harder worker? Get back with me.
Comment down below. Winner getting a $100 bonus from Joe.
There you go. All right. We'll pick up on that. Hold, you got this beam? Yeah. We'll pick up on this thing.
Just don't drop that beam on my head.
Oh, it's screwed in.
That don't mean shit.
Nice.
Check it out. Hey, Zach,
Yep.
guess what? Yep. What's up, Joe?
How are you, sir?
I'm doing good. Doing good.
I'm about to head that direction. Is there anything you need from the farm?
No, not that I know of. You think of anything, Knox? I don't think so. I think we're good to go. We're fixing to set this outside beam. We got our 2 trees in.
Nice. How did that go? Been a lot of work. But
Yeah, I mean, it's just time consuming getting up high, but we got the wall picking it up there. I'm fixing to set this big beam across. So, other than that, it's going good.
I know that's exciting. I mean, you like the way it's set on there and everything?
Oh, yeah, I'm pleased with the way everything looks so far.
That's awesome. I'm really excited to see it. That's going to be a really neat transformation this week.
Yeah,
It's gonna change everything.
we got getting that roof on there. It's going to really change the look of this thing.
All right, cool. I'll come help you do whatever you want to do. I'm just going to fit in with you and help. I don't have any goals other than what you want to get done.
Yeah, we'll just start setting rafters and see how it goes.
That sounds good to me.
All right, sounds good. Thanks.
Yes, man.
No.
That was a second batch,
Oh,
and he had put it down there. I had to cut it loose to pull it in by hand.
I got you.
All that's still strapped up.
My generator's more quiet than his generator.
No, go.
Oh, when it's that
Battery
red,
powered?
you know.
Is that battery powered? It's generator?
Yeah. Charge the batteries up, put it in there, and use the 110. You don't have to listen to that thing rumble all day.
Exactly. How's it looking?
Well, I mean, it looks like it's looking fantastic. It's awesome, isn't it?
Those things
It doesn't look like a lot of work, but that's a lot of work, especially standing right here trying to.
hovered over.
There ain't much to hold on to.
Well, I cut that thing down there. I picked the wall up and set it right in place.
That's nice.
Yeah, that was real nice.
Yeah. It's nice when it fits too, isn't it? That's how we know Knox didn't measure or cut. Matt did both. Twice.
Days never finished.
Bucky's got me working.
Someday Bucky set me free.
Thank you for watching another episode of J&S Ranch. We're building a hunting cabin off-grid. So you know, we've been setting trusses this afternoon. We're going to set every truss but the one on the end today and be ready to deck this thing tomorrow. So she'll be decked tomorrow, she'll be tar paper, and then we'll put some lathing for our metal. We'll order our metal tomorrow, and we will be dried in minus a door tomorrow. So coming next week, actually this week, after I leave to go hunting, we get our wood stove on Thursday. So it'll get placed on camera probably sometime next week. We'll get it ran outside and get it lit. And we've got siding and windows to do, and we're almost there. So I think we're probably going to meet our goal and spend the night in this thing come Christmas Eve.
Oh, yeah.
Stay tuned.